I've just turned my video on. Yes, that I'm driving, but I want you to hear a noise, if you can hear it, when I step on the gas. It's a little clicky sound. There's a click. And sometimes when I let my foot off the gas, I hear the clicky sound again. Just one little click. Now when I take off from this light, let me know if you hear it. I gotta wait for the light, but you may have to turn your volume up or put some headphones on. But I'm trying to figure out what this noise is. I don't know if I think it's coming from the drivetrain, but I'm not sure what's making it. But I'd like your opinions. So listen, here we go. Nothing that time. I'll take my foot off the gas. Nothing that time. There it is. Little click. Little click again when I step on the gas.